Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Frank Hardy. Have you heard about this AI thing? What if you could make some serious cash just by using AI? I'm talking about offering simple AI-powered services right from your phone or laptop. In this video, I'm going to break it all down, step by step, on how you can start your own AI side hustle, even if you're clueless about coding. Let's dive in and see what's up. Okay, first things first. What does this fancy term even mean? Imagine being the AI guy in your neighborhood, using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Canva to solve people's everyday problems. Small businesses need help with writing content for their websites or social media, right? Students are always freaking out about their resumes. You can use AI to do all of this and more. You become the translator, the email writer, the social media manager, all powered by AI. Just like you learned how to use a smartphone or Google something, you can learn to use these AI tools. Alright, enough with the theory, let's get practical. What kind of services can you actually offer, like right now? One word, content. You can be the smart content helper, whip up blog posts, social media captions, even product descriptions. Canva has this crazy AI tool that designs stuff for you. So, you can be the Canva AI designer without any design experience. The possibilities are endless, my friend. Now, you're probably thinking, Tanmay Bhai, this all sounds great, but I need to buy expensive software, right? Nope. Many of these tools are free or have free versions that are more than enough to get you started. ChatGPT, my friend, is your new best friend. It's free to use, and you can write anything with it. For organizing your ideas and research, Notion AI is a lifesaver, also free. Grammarly will make your writing shine. They have a free plan. And guess what? You can use all of this on your phone or laptop. Okay, ready to roll up your sleeves and make this happen? Here's the game plan, step by step. First, pick one service from the list we just discussed. Practice. Offer your chosen service to your friends and family for free. Think of it as beta testing. Get some feedback, refine your skills. Now create a simple portfolio or gather some samples of your work. Time to spread the word. Join local Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, places where people hang out online. Finally, start offering your services. Keep your prices reasonable, especially in the beginning. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. The doubts, the fears, the what-ifs. First of all, Tanmay Bhai, do I need to learn how to code? Bro, relax. I told you, you're using AI, not building it. But what if AI takes away my job later? Look, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI might. So be that someone. Can I really earn from this? Like any business, it depends on your effort, the value you provide, and consistency. Listen, I'm not going to lie to you. Starting an AI-powered service business doesn't mean you'll be swimming in cash overnight. But it could be the start of something amazing. Thousands of people are already using AI to make their lives easier, help others, and earn a living. It's all about taking that first step, learning as you go, and not being afraid to experiment. Now go out there and make it happen. So there you have it, guys. Your crash course on launching your own AI service business. If you found this even a little bit helpful, hit that like button harder than a Bollywood villain slaps his goons. And if you're serious about this whole AI thing and want a free guide on beginner-friendly AI tools, drop a comment below saying AI Business 2025. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss next week's episode, where we'll be talking about how to turn your AI skills into actual money. You got this.